Hey everybody, so now that you learned a little bit about line and how it can show expression, you're ready for the line expression challenge. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can show expression, if we can show emotions through only drawing lines. So get your supplies ready and I'll show you what to do. Here's what you're gonna need for the assignment. Paper, a drawing utensil, pencil, marker, pen, something that you can write with, and a clear space for you to work. So what you want to do is you want to describe an emotion or some sort of expression. So I picked anger for this one, and I'm kind of doing a bunch of angry little squiggly lines that are overlapping each other and showing frustration. Or maybe your anger is more explosive and you have anger that explodes, and so you do larger shapes with more frustrated little lines. Or maybe you want to show a more quiet emotion. So for this one, I did a very simple straight line that then almost starts to disappear as you go into the other side of the paper. You could try showing happiness or something of a positive emotion by doing swirly lines, things that are light and full of motion. I'm doing a lot of swirly lines and then some motion lines around there. For this expression, I wanted to show more strength, so I picked a thicker marker and used some very geometric, big shapes and lines on my paper. Then I went and doubled my line so that it would be even more emphasized. I also tried doing some other emotions like sadness. So I wanted to show almost like my emotions were coming down from a high place and then starting to kind of condense and to become sad. So that's where all of these lines going down are symbolizing. I don't know about you, but I do not like my alarm clock in the morning. And this morning I actually shut it off without knowing, and I overslept a little bit, but that's okay. But these lines are showing how my alarm clock's getting louder and louder, and then I'm getting frustrated. I may not like my alarm clock, but I do love the smell of coffee, how it gently swirls up with its little vapors, and it just smells so nice and tastes so good in the morning. So I wanted to do kind of the smell of coffee with this expression of lines. So here is your challenge. I want you to come up with 3 different lines that show 3 different expressions. It could be something that shows happiness, quietness, or maybe loneliness. Maybe it's your alarm clock in the morning, but I want you to show me 3 different lines that can show expression, whether that be an emotion or something that's going on in your life. You can do this all on one sheet of paper or on 3 separate sheets of paper. It doesn't matter to me, but upload the picture below and then I'll be able to see what expressions your lines create. Good luck.